Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. Airports Authority of India has released notification for the position of manager and junior executive. The total number of posts are 368. For the manager post, fire department, the qualifications are BE or BTech in the Department of Fire, Mechanical, Automobile Engineering, and the experience needed is 5 years. The total number of vacancies in manager fire department is 11. Manager technical qualifications is BA, BTech in the Department of Mechanical, Automobile Engineering. Experience is 5 years and the number of vacancies is 2. Junior executive, air traffic control, BSc with physics, maths, or bachelor degree in any discipline, but you need to have physics and maths in one of the semester. Experience, no need of any experience, no experience is not needed, and vacancies 264. Junior executive airport operation, graduation in science and MBA or bachelor degree. Experience, no experience needed. Vacancy 83. Junior executive technical, BE, BTech, mechanical or automobile in the Department of Mechanical or Automobile. No experience needed. 8 vacancies. And the online registration starts from 15th of December 2020 and the last date to apply is 14th of January 2021. The age limit, the maximum age for the manager post 32 years as on 30 November 2020, and for the post of junior executive the maximum age 27 years, same, it should be as on 30 November 2020. The minimum percentage is 60 percentage. The pay scale is for the position of manager 60,000 to 1,80,000, and for the junior executive 40,000 to 1,40,000. Apart from this basic pay, you will get HRA and other benefits like medical benefits, social security schemes. So the CTC of manager is 18 lakhs, and for the position of junior executive it is 12 lakhs. The syllabus for the post of manager fire service: general knowledge, general intelligence, general aptitude, English, and the weightage is 50%. Questions related to your qualification is 50%. You can see the topics related to manager fire service. Next, manager technical, general knowledge, general intelligence, general aptitude, English, and the weightage is 30. For different posts, the weightage is different. And the questions related to your education qualifications, you'll get some questions from applied mechanics and design. The weightage is 70%. Fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, all this comes under fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Manufacturing and industrial engineering. For the post of junior executive air traffic control, part A, total 60 questions, 60 marks, and the division is English language 20 marks, general intelligence and reasoning 15 marks, general aptitude and numerical ability 15 marks, general knowledge and awareness 10 marks. So weightage is 50 for part A, and for part B also weightage is 50. 16 questions from the basics of physics and mathematic concepts will get 60 marks. Total 120 questions, 120 marks, 120 minutes, and the medium is English and Hindi. One important point is to notice there is no negative marking. For the post of Junior Executive Airport Authority Operations, for Part A, General Knowledge, General English, Quantitative Aptitude, Reasoning, Verbal and Non-Verbal, weightage is 50. For Part B, questions related to your educational qualification and the weightage is 50%. 20% of Part A will cover all these topics, and for Part B, questions of physics 40%, maths 12th level, 12th standard questions, and general principle of business management 20%. For the post of junior executive technical, Part A, general knowledge, general intelligence, aptitude, English, weightage is 30%. For Part B, questions related to educational qualification 70% weightage. And in engineering mathematics, you'll get calculus, probability, and statistics, numerical methods, applied mechanics and design, strength of material, theory of machines, fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, manufacturing and industrial engineering, all this under it. An important point to note, those who are applying for the post of junior executive airport operation, you need to have driving license, compulsory driving license, and temporary driving license is not valid. Light motor vehicle license is nothing but the driving license. Okay, you need to have this. So make sure while applying for this post you have all the required qualifications and all the required documents related to this. And apart from this, you'll have interview, document verification, and endurance tests like running, casualty carrying, pole climbing, ladder climbing, rope climbing. All these tests will be there depending on the post for which you are applying. And thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the below comment section. Thank you once again.